Hello and welcome to SDSC Specialist Cars. This is our video review of our 2007 07 registered BMW Z4 2.5 SI Sport. She's been really well looked after, this car, and she has the coolest paint job of any car I think I've ever owned. I have no idea. I think it must be a custom paint from BMW or bespoke or whatever, the special package that they do, because it's black metallic but it has a red in it. You can't see it now because the sun's set, but when the sun's on it, it's just changes colour. It's amazing, and it's kind of a blacky browny red colour as you look around the car. It's truly fantastic. Anyway, enough about the paint, because you need to see it in the sunlight to be able to get the effect, because at the moment it just looks black. And 99% of the time it looks black until the sun shines on it. Anyway, starting on the front wing here, no marks or anything on there, as you can see. And the front wheel there is absolutely lovely. Coming down the passenger side, all really lovely. No marks or scratches. Lovely shine in the paint. Look at the reflection. Look at that. And the rear wheel there, again, no marks or anything on that one, all really lovely. Coming round the back of the car, got the parking sensors on the back there, and the twin exhaust pipes. The 2.5 being the engine to have the straight six. It really is the mutts. I really like this car. And the rear wheel there. And look at the reflection. Look, there's me with my broken arm, which I'm having fun and games with at the moment. Coming along the passenger side, it's like looking in glass. Look. Look at the bonnet. It's like a mirror. And the front wheel there, again, no marks or anything on that one. Coming around the front of the car, headlights are lovely, and they're not wobbly, because normally these ones always the clips break as people tap the front corner of the car because the bonnet's so long. No marks or chips or anything on there, and you can even see the moon in the bonnet there, that little white dot. Oh, we've lost the focus. Hang on, give it a minute to get back. There we go. It's only because the sun's gone down. Then, hang on. Inside, we'll just open the bonnet. Got the full black leather sports interior, sports seats with adjustable bolsters on the front there, and then you've got the factory wind deflector, world's chunkiest steering wheel, 6-speed manual gearbox, electric roof, CD player. Let's just turn the ignition on so we can get the mileage. 11,600 miles till the next service, and she's covered 74,728 miles, as you can see. There's no lights or anything on her. She's all lovely. Driver's door cards all really nice and clean, as you can see. No marks on anything on there. Then we'll come round to the passenger side. Passenger seat again, really nice. Look at that. The ultimate driving machine, as they say. And the passenger door cards are really nice. I do apologise that I kind of waffle on, but I do get excited about cars sometimes. You know, it's actually most of the time I get excited about cars. And there we have it. Look at that, 2.5 litre straight six. What a beast! Really good engine in these cars. Funnily enough, if you blindfolded someone and stuck them in a 2 litre one and then told them to drive a 6-cylinder one, you'd think they were driving a completely different car. The extra weight of the engine just makes the car perfectly balanced. See under the bonnet here, it's absolutely lovely, this car. Been properly enthusiast owned. And there we have it. That's our video review of our BMW Z4 Convertible 2.5 SI. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart, and our website is www.sdsc.co.uk. But hang on, it's no good. I'm just going to try and see if I can zoom in and try and get this paint. No, I can't. No, you need to see it in the sunlight. It's just fab. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and if you have any more questions, please give me a call. Many thanks. Bye-bye.